Hey folks, Dave from L.Yanes Outdoor Adventures and Grilling and Chilling with Dave. Just as promised, rock Cornish hens. I'm going to tell you the truth what happened. When I made the video, somehow or another I lost all my footage. So I told you I was going to make it all over again. The only thing I ain't doing this time that I did last time is stuck the rotisserie stick through it on the grill, make it easier to flip it over. But anyways, let me give you the ingredients. Oh, these are fatter too. These are nice, very nice, very nice. Now here's what we got here. Ingredients: dry rub, apple wood rubbed, black pepper, garlic, my favorite, and boy, my favorite. And we are running low. I'm going to have to order some online because they don't have this here in Tennessee, in that part of Tennessee where I'm from. Or I haven't found it yet. And then once it gets cooking, a little splash of that low sodium. Very good stuff, very good stuff. This 3 of them are seasoned, and the other one's got the bare black pepper, and maybe he's going to do it to his liking, salt. He doesn't like any seasonings at all, and they're all going to be delicious. So stay tuned, folks. Rock Cornish hens. Oh yeah, so we got the rock Cornish hens, a little bit bigger ones, really, really nice. And they're almost done. And then what we got to check now is the internal temperature. One is lighter than the other because that wasn't marinated and seasoned. This one is pretty much basic, plain Jane, and that's the way, and it's all gonna be delicious. So here we go. Let's check it out. We're gonna stick the thermometer in there, 165. Don't let nobody fool you. 165 internal temperature. I might bring them over down to the bottom here, give it a little crisp on the outside, real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, listen, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'm Dave from L.Yanes Outdoor Adventures and Grilling and Chilling with Dave. YouTube, baby. That's what we're all about. So here's the trick. Once it's cooked and you want to flip it over with the breast down towards the end, which makes all the juices run into the breast, and it's going to be so good. That's what I do with the turkeys too. We got Thanksgiving coming up here in several months. And I'm going to do another Thanksgiving thing. But hey, listen, I hope you all enjoy this video. God bless you all. We're going to eat this with a little bit of mashed potatoes and some nice fresh spinach. There you go. Mashed potatoes, rock Cornish hen, and some good healthy spinach. Until next time, we'll see you. Please hit the like button and subscribe.